very specifically about the food analyst exam. Who should take? Are you a BTech food technologist? Then the answer is yes. Why you should not take the BTech food technologies? This FSSI food analyst exam, you should go for it. Why? Because the syllabus that you have seen, we have already studied the syllabus from first year, second year, third year and final year. So if you are in final year of BTech, you should definitely take this food analyst exam. Now there were some queries, some students contacted me and asked if they are in BTech final year, they do not have a degree certificate. So even then, in that case, the students can apply, because by the time the exam the result is out, by that time you should be having your degree certificate in your hand. Say for example, in June, this BTech final year student complete their BTech final year, and then I'm sure by the June they will be out. So generally this is what is the pattern that is followed in India, and based on that they can apply. And for when they are applying for this FSSI exam application form online, they have to upload some document. So in that case, if they upload their mark sheet that they have received, the most recent mark sheet, I think that should be acceptable, and that should be sufficient. Now I would like to talk why a food technology should take a food analyst examination. Rather, I would ask why not to take this food analyst exam. Point number one: already for 4 years you have studied the BTech food technology, and then you are aware about food safety issues, how to set up a food laboratory. Also as a practical, you have done lot of food analysis, and therefore you also know and you have a hands-on food analysis, why it is done, what is its significance. You have also studied food laws and food safety related subject as a part of your course curriculum. Then the third point is like being a food technologist, if you are interested to do the the job of food analyst, appearing this exam and qualifying this exam will enable you to get a job in national level food laboratories, NABL accredited laboratories, referral laboratories, wherein the requirement of food analyst is the one who has qualified FSSI's food analyst examination. So there, suppose I am having a NABL laboratory and you come as a candidate to my place to look for the job. Obviously, I am going to hire a person who has qualified food analyst, FSSI's food analyst exam. So that is one advantage if you would like to work in a NABL laboratory, food tasting laboratory or referral laboratory. That is one point. There you will get a more edge over others who have not appeared or given this food analyst exam. Second point, if you are interested working with the government. So if you have qualified already the food analyst examination, then state recruitment in some of the places, like you have BMC offices wherein they have also food tasting laboratories, food tasting jobs. Then FDA also has a food tasting. So state government recruitment having this food analyst qualification would be again an added edge. And then fourth point, student, I would like to say, what is the harm? You will only have to pay your 1500 rupees. In case you qualify, it will be like so nice to have a certificate, an added certificate. It will also build your biodata. So wherever you go and you say that, okay, I have qualified this. Even in the food industry, if you go and you say that I have already qualified food analyst FSSI's exam, it will be an added edge. So when the person will judge you that, okay, you have a sound knowledge about food safety laws, food laws, setting up the laboratory, also basics about the food analysis. So it will be an added edge. So do not delay. The process for application is not at all difficult. It is a very simple process. Just go for it, student. Just apply for it. If you are a BTech food technologist, even if you are a MTech food technology, even in that case, why not to apply? Just apply, and if you qualify, it will be an added edge to you. It will build your biodata, it will build your career, and I'm sure being a BTech food technologies, MTech food technologies, you will definitely qualify. Very best wishes from my side. All the very best.